Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to cut, trim, and move music in CapCut to fit your video perfectly. First, open your project in CapCut. Make sure nothing is selected, then go to the bottom menu and tap Audio. Then tap Sounds. Now you can choose a track. I'm going to tap Device and select a music file from my phone, then press Add. Once the track is added to your timeline, you can start editing it. To trim the start or end, tap on the track to select it. Then tap, hold, and drag the edges to set where the music starts and ends. To move the entire music clip, tap and hold the track until it goes slightly darker. Then drag it left or right to place it exactly where you want. Now let's say you only want to use a certain part of the song. Tap on the music track, go to the point where you want to cut, and tap Split. Then move forward to where you want the section to end, and tap Split again. Now just tap on the extra parts and press Delete to remove them. And that's it. You've now cut and moved music in CapCut like a pro. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next video.